Hello guys, I'm back here in Parker, Colorado, where we're gonna start a job to do a full painting to the house. This customer is the same one where we did a full sanding a week ago. And we changed the color of the floor. That was a big transformation for them, around 1,700 square feet of floor, of wood floor. But now we're back here because when we were doing the job, the customer asked me to see if we can do also a painting of the house. And of course, we do that as well. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna flip it up the camera and show you guys the whole house inside to see everything. So let me flip the camera. All right. Okay, as you can see, the same neighborhood that we're here, the same house. But anyway, remember guys, look at the house. It's still empty because they are gonna receive all the stuff that they are moving from Arizona to Colorado. But anyway, this is the house inside, so we are gonna be doing painting, covering every single holes on the wall like that. So look at this. All these walls are gonna be, of course, prepared before painted. And right now, look at this, all this hole on the wall. We'll remove the outlet to do better job, and also here, covering all those holes. And this is the main floor, and on the second floor, we already start to cover the floor because we don't want any kind of painting on this beautiful color of the floor. And look at this, we are covering all this here. The master room, this is another room, is covering already. So yeah, we are protecting the floor 100% because we don't want any kind of mess. Right now they are protecting that room. But yes guys, so stay tuned because it's what are we gonna be doing in the next project. All right guys, we're back here just to show you a little progress that we have done here in the house. As you can see, we already covered the holes on the wall, and we need to just let it dry completely before sand it and put some texture on. So we are really covering every single detail on the walls because it's the only way that we can guarantee that we are gonna have a very good results at the end. Look at this, all the holes. This house has a lot of holes on the wall. Look at this, right here. Just doing some corrections, and for sure, look at this. That is gonna look so much better. Look at here, all the holes that they have on the wall. All right, guys. So yeah, stay tuned. We started to take a test here of the paint in the closet. Right now, there is another small closet here that we are painting already. So just taking advantage of the time, guys, to make sure that we can finish the job on time and get a very good result. So stay tuned.
reasons are right. Don't feel I belong in the light. Passion has gone and love's taken flight. Things just feel heavy tonight. I'm tasting no tears, I'm fighting no fears, but still there's a hole in my heart. Not on my own, but I feel it sometimes. Wondering what should I do? For reasons unknown, I don't need to decide. It's true that I don't have a clue. I'm tasting no tears, I'm fighting no fears, but still there's a hole in my heart.
All right, guys, we're back here to the beautiful house to show you the final result. Unfortunately, before we finish the whole moving arrived to this house, because like I told you before, those people are moving from Arizona to Colorado. So, but anyway, I'm gonna try to show you most of I can the final result, even with all the stuff in the house. But look at this, all the holes covered, texture protected. But look at this. That was the first floor. Now we are gonna check out the second floor of the house. It looks so beautiful, this house. So the color that the wife shows, it does a very good match with the color of the floor that we paint. But anyway, guys, and you guys are watching a little bit the final result in each room. Now we are gonna check the master room and the bathroom right here. So much better. Very nice, very nice. The customer is so happy with the result. They really like. So it's what matters, guys. So if you guys want to get this kind of service, yeah, we can paint the house inside or outside. So just contact us and follow us on YouTube and continue watching our videos. Until next time, guys.
Tasting no tears, not fighting no fears, still